Hey there, thank you so much for coming. My name is Carla Marie and I'm so excited to start decorating my front door for fall with you guys. I love autumn so much. It's cozy season with pumpkin spice lattes and it's just the best. The leaves changing. So let's just get into it. I have all my fall pumpkins and scarecrows all out ready to get started, and let's get into the video. But first, if you could please just subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me, and it really helps the YouTube algorithm suggest my videos to other people too, and really helps me get some exposure. But on that note, guys, let's just get into it and get decorating. So as you can see down here, I have all my pumpkins and my scarecrows and my signs out and ready to go, and I have my mums. And I purchased the mums at Walmart. I think the bigger ones with the multicolors were $12 and the smaller ones were $5, the smaller burgundy ones. I really like the multicolor ones because you get all the fun fall colors all at once. And the burgundy ones, my name was just called, like, I love burgundy and it was just calling my name. So I'm excited and we're going to get decorating. What you want to remember when you're decorating is balance. So you want to balance one side with the other side, and you also want to remember groupings of 3. Now we might make it look a little more organic, but usually pairs of 2 don't look as good as 3. So like if you had 3 candles, 3 looks better than 2, the alternative. But let's get decorating. I'm so excited. So the first thing I decided to do was place the pumpkins, and they were a bit heavy, and I thought this one looked really good on this almost bottom step, and then I wanted to put the other one up top a little bit to create some balance. So now you see that there's 3 plants, and then you see there's 2 pumpkins. So there's a line of 3 plants and then the 2 pumpkins, but I'm going to put something next to that mums too. And I thought the scarecrow would look really, really cute behind the burgundy mums, just because I could kind of hide the stick, you know, that's sticking out. And this one, the stick is kind of broken on the bottom, so I kind of had to finagle my way with it, but I think it's super cute because it's super old and wooden, and we've had it in our family for so many years. So then I took these little pumpkins and I gathered them in a smaller group, and that will be like my quote-unquote 3rd pumpkin on the left side. Even though they're a grouping, but there's 3 pumpkins, 3 groups of pumpkins, the 2 big ones and then the smaller group, but then that grouping is also like more organic. Then I went ahead and put my other scarecrow on the other side to create some balance with the other scarecrow, and these take a little bit of finagling to do. I put the mum in front of it just to prop it up a little better because sometimes they're a little tricky, and I think it looks great. You always have to remember to step back and take a look at everything, sometimes even take a break and come back to it. But yeah, so then I mirrored the pumpkins on the bottom as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab this blue one, which is probably my favorite one. You probably see them a lot. They're trending right now. They're the more like, I don't know, like more organic-y looking pumpkins is the way I'm going to put it. And they come in all different colors, but I really was drawn to this blue. And then I'm going to take my small little pumpkins and put them in a grouping just like the other side. And that one I thought would look really, really cute on our old-fashioned milk bin or crate. And yeah, here it is here. It looks so cute. And it was just so much fun getting to decorate this. Now for the cute signs. This sign says, "Welcome to our patch," and I'm going to put it right here. Here, I think is good. It's big, strong. Big, strong. We're almost there. Whew. Got that in there. Then we got this little welcome frog little situation here. We're just gonna put that right in front of there. It's seen better days, but it's still cute. Now, to get to our other signs. So you couldn't really see them before, but I have 2 big flower pots on both sides of the walkway, and I thought it would be super cute to put the boo and the welcome ghosts in the flower pots just to give it a little extra. And then of course I placed a buffalo check mat with the hello. I love that look. It's kind of trending right now. And this is the great reveal. I think it looks super cute, and I just love how it kind of became dusk a little bit, so you guys could kind of see it a little darker at night. And you always want to remember to also put something on your front door. You could see I have that broomstick there, and I added some little flowers and pine cones and that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun decorating with you all. It's always a blast every year getting to decorate my front steps, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!